guys, my name is Kayla, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I revived my twist out. So this is a 4-day-old twist out, and now I'm going to take off my bonnet and show you guys. At nighttime, I do the mini pineapples method where I put my hair in 4 ponytails. Now I'm going to take out my ponytails and begin to fluff out my hair. If my hair feels dry, I like to add a little bit of oil. This is the oil I will be using today. I like to pat it on. And then I like to put it in my scalp.
Alright you guys, so Kayla has shown you guys what she does to her hair in the mornings. And as you can see, she still has a bunch of curl. Look at this. This is 4-day-old flat twist out. It's super soft. It's not dry at all. She did add a little bit of oil. She did go to basketball practice, so she sweated a little bit. And in the back here, even where her hair is short, you still have that pop of curl on the end. So her hair is still very moisturized and curly. She has a little bit of frizz there up at the top, but otherwise it looks so good. So at 4 days, of course, we don't have the bob shape anymore. So we're gonna go for the puff shape. And I'm gonna be putting her hair up in a puff, and she's gonna be wearing it like that for a little bit. So I like to take a couple of these little things out here. And I have my edge, I have a little bit of gel. This is Eco Styler Gold. I have a little bit of that. And then I also have the Mary's Edge Wax Extreme Hold. And I also have these little bitty bands. I cannot remember where I got these from, but they are super soft and super stretchy. So they're not going to, irritate her hair or anything like that. I noticed that when she does wear her puffs too much, it does cause some breakage. So we try to limit the amount of puffs that she wears to just, at the very end of her style when, the shape is gone. So I'm gonna start with the Edge Wax, the Mary's Edge Wax, and I'm gonna add some around the perimeter of her hair. I took out a little bit of baby hair. So I use a little bit of the edge control, and then I go on top of that with a little bit of Eco Styler gel. And for some reason, that gives us the hold that we're looking for. I don't think it matters which one you put on first, but that definitely gives us the hold that we're looking for. So I'm gonna continue to do that around the perimeter of her hair. You see that Mary's is a little white, but if you work it in, you're not gonna have a problem with it flaking or looking all white and stuff like that. You just gotta work the product in, you guys. That's like my number one, thing to let you guys know is that you gotta work that product in, honey, or else you will get the buildup and you will get the white residue. We like to try to keep things off of her forehead, unless it's first day hair or something like that, because as you can see, she's acne prone and anything will irritate her and cause a breakout. So we're trying to keep her skin together. She's a teen, she's 13, so she definitely has acne prone skin, and you see how that lays down so nicely using both. Kayla, do you do this technique?
No.
No? You're gonna start doing it?
Yes.
Because it works, right? Mm-hmm. It's what I do to my edges too sometimes. I use both. But I'm just so shocked at the amount of curl she still has. Like her hair, and she keeps up with her mini pineapples too, honey. She makes sure she does them, and she makes sure that that bonnet is on every night. Isn't that right, Toots?
Yep.
All right, in this part, I'm just gonna put a little bit of gel right on the end of that. I don't want it to revert back much because I want it to hang. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. I'm just taking the ends of that little curly cue and curling it. There we go. We have a little bit of curls there. And her back is really short, so I'm gonna keep the band like very low on the back of her hair so that I won't mess up the ends of her curls back here. I still want her to have curls. And I'm just putting the Eco Styler gel. I'm not putting the Mary's in the back. We don't need much in the back. Not too many people sees the back. This is a hair toothbrush. Ain't nobody using this to brush their teeth with. Don't come for us. Ain't it right, Toots? Yep. I didn't work that edge control in good right here, so I'm just working it in before I add the hairband. Okay, so you don't need a super tight headband. She doesn't like it super tight. Of course, it's gonna hurt her head. As you can see, it's this small. We take it and we put it around her neck first, like a choker. And then we pull it up and we avoid her little curly cues on the side. There. And there. And she just pushes it back to wherever she wants it to land. What do you think about that? I think that's good. You put it up more on the sides, and she likes it a little bit farther down in the back so that the back of her hair won't get messed up. I love this. It looks so good. As you guys can see, the band is on and her puff is looking lovely. All right, I'm gonna take a little bit of that Mary's Edge wax and just kind of put it on this to lay this down a little bit, just to keep it from poking out. So next we take our pick, and we don't do too much picking, but we just hit the roots to make sure that this is a nice full puff and no hair is like stuck there, you know, stuck under the band. So we just puff around that band and we just shape it to the way that we want it to look. So these sides, there we go. And this side hangs over. So we definitely leave the ends of her hair alone where all those curls are, and we let everything else hang. All right, if we want to go a little bit further, I just take a little bit of the edge wax and a little bit of the gel, and we can add a little something something to her edges. I'm trying to keep it off her forehead so that we don't irritate it or cause any unnecessary breakouts. Kayla is ready, and this will last another 3 or 4 days because it still has to go through the shrinking process. She also takes out the band every night, and she mini pineapples every single night, and that just keeps the curls nice and stretched.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video of how I revived my hair. Let us know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and we'll talk to you on our next video. Bye. Testing 1 2 1 2 3. Hi guys, it's
It's okay.
So this is a 4-day twist out, and I'm gonna.
That was easy, wasn't it?
And what did you say? What did you say? What did you say? Let us know if you have any questions in the comments
Okay, sorry.
section.